After 2 days exploring the IGUAZU Falls, we decided to visit the bird park. This bird park had been recommended to me by a few Brazilian friends, and I was looking forward to it. I have to say that as bird parks go, it was pretty good, but it wasn't anything extraordinary. This bird, of course, didn't want to cooperate and pose for a photograph, and it took a while before I managed to actually get a good shot. I have to commend the bird park though for doing their bit for making people aware of what's happening with the Amazon forest. There were posters all around encouraging us to preserve the Amazon forest, and of course this was a month before all these big forest fires in the Amazon started. And yeah, there were lots and lots of people there, so it is obviously a very popular tourist destination after you've gone to see the falls. And of course I couldn't resist the throne. And then after the bird park, it was back to the hotel, time to freshen up and head out for a traditional Brazilian barbecue.
That's a good one. Yeah. What? Yeah. Just small piece. Any more? This one.